everybody, Farmer Allison here. I hope you're doing well. I was gonna give you a little tour of the garden I have growing at my house. So even though I don't have a yard, I'm able to grow some things in pots on my back steps. So here are some tomato plants, flowers, squash, and these are watermelon. So today's topic is going to be plants, and we're going to be talking about what are the main parts of a plant. There are four main parts of a plant. There are the roots, the stem, the leaves, and the flowers. Using this tomato plant, we are going to look at those four different parts. We are going to start from the bottom with the roots. Even though the roots are underground and we can't see them, they are very important. Roots pull up water from the ground and act like an anchor holding the plant in place. Above ground is the stem. The stem is similar to our spine, the spine that holds us up straight. The stem does that for the plant. It also acts like a straw, sucking up nutrients and water from the ground for the rest of the plant. Next are the leaves. Leaves soak up sunlight, and plants get their energy and food from the sun. The leaves are also how the plant breathes by drawing in air. Lastly are the flowers. Flowers are very colorful and have a smell, and that's to bring in pollinators. Pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. When looking at a vegetable plant like this tomato plant, do you ever wonder, where do the tomatoes come from? So if you look closely, you can see that the vegetable actually comes from the flower. Talking about this tomato plant reminds me of another tomato plant that we had planted. Do you guys remember Tootsie? Tootsie the tomato plant? So let's go do a check-in on Tootsie. Here we are again with our friend Tootsie the tomato. Let's measure her and see how tall she has gotten. All right. Tootsie is now 13 inches tall. Here we are again with Tootsie the tomato. It's been 4 weeks since we planted her. We're going to give her a quick measurement to see. She's at about 15 inches now, and she's starting to get little gold flowers. And that is where the tomato will start to grow out from. And here she is 6 weeks later after we planted her in the garden bed, and she's already starting to grow her own tomato.